Are you spending your valuable time manually processing each of your returns and exchanges on Shopify, individually creating return shipping labels for your customers? If so, there's a better and easier way. Now, returns and exchanges are a critical part of running a successful Shopify business, and having a flexible return policy paired with a smooth returns process gives your customers the trust that they need to spend their money on your products. And as your store grows, you will also increase the amount of returns and exchanges that you need to process. So you need to find a solution. If you don't handle returns and exchanges in a streamlined way and timely manner, you may experience negative customer reviews, a decrease in repeat purchases from your store, and even fewer new customers. The solution to your returns and exchanges problem is a dedicated app that seamlessly processes returns and exchanges, automatically creates return shipping labels, and keeps customers informed throughout the entire process. A dedicated solution like this improves the customer experience and turns one-time buyers into loyal lifetime customers. Introducing Rich Returns, a powerful Shopify app that provides a smooth, automated returns and exchanges experience powered by a beautiful, customizable portal that fits perfectly with your store's design. With Rich Returns, you can build trust, automate returns, and increase profits with exchanges. When you use our Shopify Returns app, you will save time and money processing returns and exchanges, have automated integrations with shipping carriers and customer service apps, create a positive customer experience after the sale, and increase conversions and retain more revenue. More than 1,000 Shopify merchants have put their trust in Rich Returns, with tens of thousands of returns and exchanges being automatically processed each and every month with our app. To get started, click the Add App button and set up your Shopify Returns portal today. Don't have time to set everything up and need to get started quickly? We'll set everything up for you. Just send us a message via chat after you install Rich Returns on your Shopify store, and we can take care of the setup process for you. Again, to get started, click the Add App button now and set up your Shopify Returns portal today.